So when you look around you, do you see more challenges or more opportunities? Well, we're going to introduce you to a really helpful little vehicle here that will ensure every challenge holds an opportunity. So, let's echo this for a moment. So, if you've got a piece of paper there, I'm going to ask you to grab your piece of paper and draw 3 columns first. And then I'm going to give you a little bit of time to do some brainstorming. And in that brainstorming, just think about where you're at right now. Maybe it's where you're at personally, maybe it's where you're at in your team, maybe it's where your organization is. And in that brainstorming mode, I want you to think about some of your current challenges and opportunities. So, grab a pen. If you've got some post-it notes to hand, think about some of the challenges and the opportunities that you're currently working with. Put your post-it notes down, capture them under challenges, and capture them under opportunities. Awesome, so you've taken the time, you've probably got your list of challenges and opportunities ahead of you. Some of us might have more challenges, some of us might have more opportunities, but let me work with you now as we go through the ECHO method to help you turn every challenge into an opportunity. So here I've just called out a common challenge, and most of us might face this personally, might face it in a team or even organizations. Talking about the topic of overworked. Either we've got too much work on ourselves, maybe our team feels like they're over capacity, maybe the organization is struggling to deliver all of your strategic outcomes. So here's our challenge here. Now, an opportunity from overworked is to look at this differently. And by looking at it differently, it's actually the balance of workload. So currently, our balance of workload is out of whack. So this is great. We've got our 2 columns, our challenges and our opportunities. But what's important is the vehicle. When I say every challenge holds an opportunity, what is the thing that takes us from challenge to opportunity? And this is where some of our more common methodologies and frameworks and solutions come into play. So maybe we're talking about Agile. Maybe we're talking about project management. Maybe we're talking about coaching. But the key thing with this is that these vehicles are not challenges. It's not one more thing to add to your challenge list, but equally, they're not opportunities. How many times have we worked with the organization with the new shiny toy and they're talking about the thing that they're working towards? This is the vehicle. So if you're being overworked, let's think about the vehicle that might help us get to a balanced workload. Whether that's through seeking some coaching as the vehicle towards a balanced workload. Maybe that's looking at being more agile to get from overwork to balanced workload. But by using this simple framework, we can turn every challenge into an opportunity.